Well, it's been another beautiful winter's day in most of the north. There is a lot of water lying, however, on the western plains, but it's slowly drying up. There was a little cloud over parts of the north, but no rain was reported. The temperatures along the coast, first of all, 20 was recorded at 4 centres down there. Overnight temperatures were between 2 and 6 degrees. Up in the northern tablelands, 17 was top at Inverell, with the temperatures overnight between -1 and +1. Over in the slopes and plains, top temperature today was 18 at Narrabri, with the overnight temperatures between 3 and 4 degrees. Down in the Hunter, 18 was top at Scone and Newcastle, with the overnight temperatures between 7 and 8 degrees. Satellite photograph taken today was completely clear of cloud of any consequence. There was some lingering over the southern Alps, where some showers, and only light ones, are expected. The rainfall in the July period on the northern end of the slopes was the third wettest on record, with a mean for the whole district of 154 millimetres. It was the second wettest July on record, with 139 millimetres mean for the southern end of the district. On the northern tablelands, they had the third wettest July, with 141 millimetres. On the plains, they had the second wettest July on record, with 162 millimetres. New individual records established at northern centres were at Bendemeer, with the former record established in 1904. At Tinga, the record broken was established in 1971, and at Inverell in 1874, when records were first taken. Synoptic chart at noon today showed how the high had asserted itself over the centre of the continent. Winds were light, but the weather settled. By 9 tomorrow morning, the high is expected to have moved further to the east. Winds are expected to be light, with them coming in from the west and the southwest. A prominent cold front is expected to move across the Western Australian coastline tomorrow. It could generate a further cold southwest change at the end of the week. The forecast then in detail for the Hunter: cold night, fogs, cool to mild day with the sunny periods tomorrow and a top of 21 at Newcastle. Mid-north coast, a cold night, mild, mostly sunny day tomorrow with a top of 22 at Kempsey. Northern tablelands, cool to mild day with sunny periods there, light winds and a top of 17 at Inverell. Slopes and plains, cool to mild, mainly sunny day with light winds and a top of 18 at Moree. Here are the tides for Foster and Crescent Head and Port Macquarie. Tomorrow the sun is expected at 6:44 a.m. and a set at 5:21 in the evening. So it's expected to be cold tonight, followed by a cool, sunny, clear day tomorrow and Thursday. Here's Neil.